This is a video on the present perfect tense. First, let's understand the definition of the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is a verb tense used to describe an action that started in the past and continued to the present. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb have or has and the past participle of the main verb. You are watching Quick English Tutorials. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. She is Maya and here is her story. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Maya. She has always dreamed of traveling the world and experiencing different cultures. Over the past few years, she has saved up enough money to make her dreams a reality. Maya has already visited many countries such as France, Italy, and Japan. She has tried new foods, learned new languages, and made many new friends. Each experience has been unique and exciting. Recently, Maya has decided to visit India. She has always been fascinated by the country's rich history and vibrant culture. She has been studying Hindi for months to prepare for her trip. When Maya arrives in India, she is immediately struck by the colors, sounds, and smells of the bustling cities. She has never experienced anything like it before. She has already visited the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort, which are both breathtaking. Maya has also tried many new foods such as chaat and samosas. She has even learned how to cook some traditional Indian dishes. She has made friends with locals who have shown her around and taught her about their customs. So far, Maya has had an incredible time in India. She has seen and experienced so much and she knows that she will never forget this trip. She has already made plans to visit other parts of the country such as Goa and Kerala. As Maya reflects on her journey so far, she realizes that traveling has taught her so much about herself and the world around her. She feels grateful for every experience and can't wait to see what the future holds. Mentioned below are the verbs in the present perfect tense. Has always dreamed, has saved up, has already visited, has tried, has learned, has made, has shown, has taught, has had, has seen, has experienced, has made.